Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Super Smash Bros. Ultimate Online with friends. To get started, you will need a Nintendo Switch console and a copy of Super Smash Bros. Ultimate. An active Nintendo Switch Online membership is absolutely essential for connecting with others. Also, make sure both you and your friends have a stable internet connection for the best experience. You can connect with up to 4 players in exciting online arenas, ready for battle. Once you have the essentials, setting up an online match is straightforward. From the main menu, simply select Online and then navigate to Battle Arenas. Here, you will choose Create Arena to host a private match specifically for your friends. Remember to set a password to ensure only your invited friends can join. Before the action begins, you can customize various rules, including stock, time, and available items to tailor your perfect game. After your arena is created, inviting your friends to join the fun is the next step. Your friends can easily find your arena by going to the Join Arena section. Make sure to share the unique arena ID and the password with them for quick and easy access. Alternatively, friends can join your arena directly through their Nintendo Switch friend list. While up to 8 players can gather in an arena, only 4 can actively participate in a battle at any given time. To ensure the smoothest possible online experience, consider a few helpful tips. Using a wired internet connection, rather than Wi-Fi, can significantly reduce lag and improve overall stability during matches. It is also wise to close any other applications that might be consuming bandwidth on your network. For better coordination and camaraderie, communicate with your friends using an external voice chat application. Finally, remember to practice regularly to hone your skills and truly enjoy those competitive online matches.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.